Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. Today, we've got something that'll elevate your home entertainment setup to a whole new level. The YiePhiot Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount Stand. In this detailed review, we're going to explore its universal compatibility, features, installation, and why it's a must-have for any projector enthusiast. So, without further ado, let's get started. First off, the YiePhiot projector mount is a universal mount, compatible with most mini projectors out there. Whether you've got a CLOKOWE, Haprun, Elephas, NICPOW, Roconia, or many others, chances are it'll work like a charm. What's great is that it comes with 3 different screw adapters, measuring 3.9mm, 6mm, and 6.35mm in diameter. This flexibility ensures that your projector can be securely attached to the mount. Now, let's talk about its features. This mount offers some serious versatility. You can tilt it up to 90 degrees and rotate it a full 360 degrees, allowing you to find that perfect angle for your projection. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary accessories, screws, and, of course, those 3 adapters we mentioned earlier. Simply rotate the knob to adjust the angle and tighten it to lock it in place securely. A quick note here: before you decide to bid on this item, make sure your projector has a tripod screw hole. This mount is designed for projectors that come with this feature, so double-check to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, for the techies out there, here's a bit of product information. The YiePhiot Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount Stand has a length of 175mm and can handle a safety load of up to 5 kilograms. So, it's not just versatile, it's also robust. In conclusion, the YiePhiot Mini Ceiling Wall Projector Mount Stand is a fantastic addition to your home theater or presentation setup. Its universal compatibility, adjustability, and ease of installation make it a top choice for anyone looking to maximize their projector experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Have any questions or want to share your experience with this projector mount or any other tech product? Drop us a comment down below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, keep those projectors shining bright, and remember, technology is all about making our lives better. This is Product Critique, signing off.